What's up, everyone, and welcome to Sidewalk Customs. My name is George, and this is another episode of Advanblack. Last time we talked about the exhaust bracket. I kind of showed you guys. We didn't really get into it too much. But today, what I want to do is I want to show you guys how to install it. There's a trick to it. I'm going to go over that trick for you guys. But what we're trying to do is the exhaust adjustable bracket. What this does, it takes your exhaust and lets you adjust the back. I look at the back of the bike sometimes. One exhaust goes this way, the other one goes that way. You don't have enough clearance on your bags, and I'm going to show you what this little thing does for you guys. Very simple. Stay tuned. So what we got here is AJ's bike. He brought it in all the way down from Tampa, and we're trying to make sure that not only do we get the sound right, but we also want to make sure the exhaust comes out right. So these are your stock exhaust brackets, which they are always a little tough to get out. You can get these guys out, push them out, wiggle them out a little bit. There it goes. That guy's out. What we want to do is be able to install this guy right here. This lets you adjust your exhaust back and forth. And the easiest way to put this on is you slide it in through this corner here. Make sure we got that here. What you want to do is you push it in till you get one portion a little bit out on the other side. Once you get it showing on this side, grab a flathead screwdriver, stick it into the corner, the little hole, and basically all you're going to do is pull. And she's going to come right through and right out. One more pull and she should come right out. There it goes. I'm going to slide it to where it sits right almost on top of the holes to mount. So you guys can see it sitting here. I am going to do is now is bring up the exhaust. And I'll move this guy a little bit back. Put in the screws. And what I like to do is I'll give a little pressure to push the exhaust, not too much. But what I like to do is give it a bump with my leg right here and adjust these guys. Tighten these guys too. Now I have a little test fit already done on this side. It slides right in here. I'll make sure this guy slides right in. Slide him just a little bit back, so I'm going to loosen one up. Right there. Nice and tight. And basically what that does for you guys, I'll bring it up close for you guys so you can see it. It's nice and even. So we still have some play that we can move it back and forth, but it'll make it real easy to line up your bike. I like to, make sure you have two fingers here. I was actually using this little guy right here. Stick it in through there, make sure that it fits on the other side, or a measuring tape, but something that keeps it kind of level, straight out. Both sides will look right about right. Stay tuned for the next one. Hope you guys enjoy. It's only about 30 bucks. Aside from that, enjoy it, guys.